Hello everyone, I am Professor P.V. Shinde. Today we are going to study micronutrient fertilizers under the course Manures Fertilizers and Soil Fertility Management. Friends, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to micronutrient fertilizers, their definition, importance, iron fertilizers, manganese fertilizers, zinc fertilizers, copper, boron fertilizers, molybdenum fertilizers, and some important terminologies like fertilizer grade, fertilizer ratio, suppliers of plant nutrients, and conditioners. Micronutrient fertilizers. There are 7 micronutrient essential for all plants are boron, chlorine, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum and zinc. These are termed as micronutrients because in comparison to major and secondary nutrients, these are required by plants in small quantity, that is micro means small. However, all these micronutrients are essential for plant growth and development. During the last 25 years, the practical importance of micronutrients in agriculture, horticulture and other crop production sectors has increased significantly. This is due to widespread micronutrient deficiencies in Indian soils reported by a large number of agricultural scientists. Research findings on micronutrients under Indian conditions have been seen in different areas. Let us see the definition of micronutrient fertilizers. The fertilizers that contain trace elements such as boron, copper, manganese, zinc, cobalt, iron, that is substances that plants require in small quantity, that is the micronutrient fertilizer. Let us see the importance of micronutrient fertilizers. Every micronutrient has certain specific role to play in the crop growth and development. Their presence in optimum concentration is a must for all the plant to complete its life cycle. These roles for each micronutrient are very important. The importance of fertilization of crops with micronutrient is increasing mainly because of their removal from the soil, intensive liming of soil, intensive drainage of soil, higher use of nitrogenous, phosphatic and potassic fertilizer, etc. There are 7 essential micronutrients required by the plant like iron, manganese, zinc, copper, chlorine, boron and molybdenum. Let us see first micronutrient fertilizer, that is iron fertilizer. This table show the important iron containing fertilizer like ferrous sulfate, ferrous chelates, ferrous EDTA, ferrous EDDPA. Use of ferrous sulfate, that is it is water soluble fertilizer containing 20% iron and Fe chelated, suitable for application as a foliar nutrients. Manganese fertilizer. The example of manganese fertilizer is manganese sulfate and manganese chelates, that is manganese DTA. It is well known water soluble manganese fertilizer, that is manganese sulfate. It is pink salt containing 24% manganese. It dissolves in water and is suitable for foliar application. The use of manganese chelate is it contains 13% manganese. It plays an important role in the crop fertilization. Then zinc fertilizer. The example is zinc sulfate. It is water soluble whitish salt containing 23% zinc. It is applied as a foliar nutrient. Its acidic action causes corrosion damage to plant. Zinc oxide, it contains 70% zinc. It is slightly soluble in water. It is used as slow acting foliar nutrient. Copper fertilizer. Copper fertilizer have been used to correct copper deficiencies. For example, copper sulfate, it contains 25% copper. Copper sulfate, another example, that is copper sulfate, it contains 36% copper. Most important micronutrient, that is boron. And the example of boron fertilizer is borax, well known example. It contains 11% boron. It is water soluble white salt. It can be applied as a soil dressing or foliar application. Next example, that is boric acid. It contains 18% boron. It is a white crystalline powder. It is applied as a foliar nutrient. Molybdenum fertilizer. Example is sodium molybdate. It contains 40% molybdenum. Ammonium molybdate. It contains 54% molybdenum. These are water soluble salts which contain molybdenum. They are suitable for soil application and foliar application as well. Important terminology which is used for improvement of soil health, that is, or during the using of fertilizer, that is fertilizer grade. Fertilizer grade refers to the guaranteed minimum percentage of nitrogen, phosphorus and potash contained in fertilizer material. The numbers representing the grade are separated by happens and are always stated in the sequence of NP and K. For example, label on the fertilizer bag with the grade 2020 indicates that 100 kg of fertilizer material contain 28 kg nitrogen, 28 kg phosphorus, and there is no potash present in that particular 2028 fertilizer. There are different grades of fertilizers available in India like 2020, 2020, 14, 35, 14, 17, 17, 17, 14, 28, 14, etc. Important terminology, that is fertilizer ratio. It refers to the ratio of the percentage of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium in the fertilizer mixture. For example, the fertilizer grade is 1266 has a fertilizer ratio 2:1:1. Supplier of the plant nutrients. These are the straight fertilizer added to supply the plant nutrients mentioned in the grade. Then what is the conditioner? These are low grade organic material like peat soil, paddy husk, groundnut hulls, etc., which are added to fertilizer mixture during their preparation for reducing hygroscopicity and to improve their physical condition. Filler. A filler is a wet make material like sand, soil, coal powder, etc., added to the soil fertilizer ingredients so as to produce a mixture of the desired grade. Neutralizers or neutralizers of residual acidity. It means a filler is a wet make material like sand, soil, coal powder, etc., added to the fertilizer ingredients so as to produce a mixture of the desired grade. And what is the antagonistic effect of micronutrients? Excess of phosphorus adversely affect on utilization of zinc, iron and copper. They affect the availability of micronutrient. Excess of iron adversely affect utilization of zinc and manganese. Excess of zinc, manganese and copper induces iron deficiency in crops. Excess of sulfur and copper induces molybdenum deficiency in crops. Excess of nitrogen induces zinc deficiency. Excess of lime induces deficiency of all micronutrients except molybdenum. Thank you very much for watching the video.